previous video we have solved about 1 to 15 differential equation chapter separable variable. I can say you that in this section you arrange in this way that fx into dx is equal to fy into dy, and then integrating both sides you will get the desired result. Now let us see from 16 to examples of 16 to 30. Number 16 is y into root over 1 plus x square plus x into root over 1 plus y square into dy dx is equal to 0. How you solve this? X into root over 1 plus y square dy dx is equal to minus y into root over 1 plus x square, or root over 1 plus y square by y dy is equal to minus root over 1 plus x square by x dx. Now integrating both sides we get this. Or 1 plus y square समान z square, then substituting we get 2y dy is equal to 2z dz, cancelling 2, and this is 1 plus x square is equal to u square, 2x dx is equal to 2u du. From here we get y square is equal to z square minus 1, then y is equal to root over z square minus 1, and from here we get x is equal to root over u square minus 1, or root over 1 plus y square means z, y means root over z square minus 1 into or this is z and dy means z dz by y square is equal to minus, this is mean u, and dx means u du by x, then u du by x into x, or it can be written as this is z square by y square means z square minus 1 dz, and this is minus u square by x square means u square minus 1 du. Solving we get z square minus 1 plus 1 by z square minus 1 dz is equal to minus u square minus 1 plus 1 by u square minus 1 du, or this by this is equal to dz plus integration dz by z square minus 1 is equal to minus this one by this the du minus du by u square minus 1, or this is equal to z plus half log z minus 1 by z plus 1, and this is minus u minus half log u minus 1 by u plus 1 plus c, or this can be written as z means root over 1 plus y square, z means root over 1 plus y square plus half log z means root over 1 plus y square minus 1 by root over 1 plus y square plus 1 is equal to minus u. U means root over 1 plus x square minus half log root over 1 plus x square minus 1 by root over 1 plus x square plus 1 plus c. Now changing this side we get 1 plus y square plus 1 plus x square is equal to, or half log root over 1 plus y square minus 1 by root over 1 plus y square plus 1 plus half log root over 1 plus x square minus 1 by root over 1 plus x square plus 1 plus c. This is you required, where c is the arbitrary, is equal to c is the arbitrary constant. So check your answer. Root over 1 plus y square plus root over 1 plus x square plus half log root over 1 plus y square minus 1 by root over 1 plus y square plus 1 plus half log root over 1 plus x square minus 1 root over 1 plus x square plus 1 is equal to c, where c is the arbitrary constant. Next, 17, problem number 17 is root over 1 plus x square into dy plus root over 1 plus y square into dx is equal to 0, or 1 plus x square dy is equal to minus 1 plus y square dx, or dy by root over 1 plus y square is equal to minus dx by root over 1 plus x square. Integrating both sides we get log y plus root over 1 plus y square is equal to minus log x plus root over 1 plus x square plus log c. Putting this side we get log y plus root over 1 plus y square plus log x plus root over 1 plus x square is equal to log c, or log y plus root over 1 plus y square into x plus root over 1 plus x square is equal to log c. Now your required answer is y plus root over 1 plus y square into x plus root over 1 plus x square is equal to c, where c is an arbitrary constant. This is the solution of the differential equation, problem number 17. Next, problem 18 is root over 1 plus x square plus y square plus x square y square plus xy dy dx is equal to 0. I have already told you that problem 1 to 15 I have solved in the previous video. Xy dy dx is equal to minus root over 1 plus x square plus y square into 1 plus x square. Taking common of y square we get is equal to minus 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square. Xy dy dx, or by the method of separation of variable you can get y by this root over 1 plus y square dy is equal to minus root over 1 plus x square by x into dx. Changing the x in the denominator we get this. After this we integrating both sides. You know the integration is, this is the method of substitution, that means 1 plus y square is equal to u square, or 2y dy is equal to 2u du. That means y dy or y dy is equal to u du by u, and this can be solved by the example 15. How I have done there 1 plus x square is equal to u square. Then, sorry, z square. Let. Then 2x dx is equal to 2z dz, or x dx is equal to z dz, or dx is equal to z by x dz. Then this is equal to minus z, and dx is equal to z by x square dx. This is equal to minus, sorry, z dz by x, this is dz, z square by x square dz. Cancelling, we get u is equal to minus z square means 1 plus x square by x square, oh sorry, integration z square by x square means z square minus 1 dz. You can do it in this way, z square minus 1 plus 1 by z square minus 1 dz. This is equal to this by this, that means minus dz, and this is minus dz by z square minus 1. That means minus z minus half log z minus 1 by z plus 1 plus c, where c is the arbitrary constant, u is equal to. Then u means root over 1 plus y square, plus z means, transferring this, z means root over 1 plus x square plus half log, z means root over 1 plus x square minus 1 by root over 1 plus x square plus 1 plus is equal to c, where c is an arbitrary constant. This is problem number 19. This is problem number 19. dy dx is equal to e to the power x into sine square x plus sine 2x by y 2 log y plus 1. Changing the variable by the method of separation of variable, you get y into 2 log y plus 1 dy is equal to e to the power x sine square x plus sine 2x dx. Now integrating both sides, you will get the required result. But this integration can be done by y log y. You know, this can be done by the method of by parts, and this is equal to y dy. This is equal to e to the power x sine square x dx plus integration e to the power x sine 2x dx. 2 into log y dy minus dy of log y dy plus this is equal to e to the power x sine square x plus sine 2x. You know a formula of by parts that if I take fx is equal to sine square x, then f dash x means 2 sine x and derivative of sine x means cos x. That means sine 2x. Now this is equal to e to the power x fx plus f dash x. You know the formula. This will become e to the power x fx dx. Then what I get from here, fx is equal to sine square x, then this integration will be e to the power x sine square x plus c, where c is the arbitrary constant. Now changing this side to log y into integration means y square by 2 minus dy of log y 1 by y into y square by 2 dy plus y square by 2, or 2 into y square by 2 log y minus half y square by 2 plus y square by 2 is equal to e to the power x sin square x plus c, or this is y square log y minus y square by 2 plus y square by 2, cancelling both sides we get e to the power x sin square x plus c. Then your required answer will be y square log y is equal to e to the power x sin square x plus c, where c is the arbitrary constant. This is your required answer. And the next problem 20, dy dx is equal to x 2 log x plus 1 by sin y plus y cos y. This is same as sum number 19, and it is also a very easy sum. Cross multiplying both sides we get sin y plus y cos y dy is equal to x 2 log x plus 1 dx, and then integrating both sides we get, or integration sin y dy plus integration y cos y dy is equal to 2x log x plus dx into x dx, or this is equal to minus cos y plus y cos y dy minus dy of y cos y dy into dy is equal to 2x, sorry, this is again by parts, and log x is the first function, then log x integration x dx minus ddx of log x integration x dx and dx plus x square by 2 plus c, where c is the arbitrary constant, or minus cos y plus y sin y minus, this is 1, this is sin y means integration of cos y means sin y dy is equal to 2 log x, you know integration of x dx is x square by 2 minus 1 by x into x square by 2 dx plus x square by 2 plus c1, or minus cos y plus y sin y, integration of sin y means minus cos y, then cancelling minus cos y and sin y we get 2 into x square by 2, cancelling 2 x square log x minus 2 into x square by, this is x dx means x square by 2, and this 2 is x square by 4, 2 plus x square by 2, again here cancel x square by 2 and x square by 2, then your required answer will be y sin y minus x square log x is equal to c1. This is your required answer, and you check your answer with your respective books. You will find that this will be your answer. Thank you for watching this video. I have solved here from 15 to 20. Next, I shall solve 21 to 25.